Today, we're going to show you how to connect your OtterBox beaded wrist strap to an OtterBox case with anchor points. Let's dive in. First, gather the beaded wrist strap and installation tool. Now find the connection point on your case. Next, pull the thread through one side of the anchor point using the included installation tool. Then use the tool to feed the thread back through the other side of the anchor point. To finish, feed the beaded wrist strap through the loop. That's it. You're ready to carry your phone in style.